Assalamualaikum my students, how are you all? My name is Daniel and today we are going to be studying a very conceptual, a very basic concept of mathematics, that is the BODMAS. The BODMAS is the very basic concept that every student must know. What is BODMAS? The full form of BODMAS is brackets open, B for brackets, O for open, and then the signs: division, brackets open, division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Alright, a very common concept and very basic concept of mathematics. Now, what is BODMAS? How will we be applying the BODMAS rule? For example, let's suppose a question asks you to evaluate this question. What will be the answer of this question? For example, let's say here we have 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3 minus 6. Now, what would be the answer over here? In accordance with the BODMAS rule, we would first be performing division and then multiplication and then addition and lastly subtraction. So, first of all, we do not have any division, so therefore we would be multiplying 4 by 2, that is the second step after the division is what? Multiplication. 4 multiplied by 2 is what? 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 minus 6 is what? 11 minus 6 is 5. Our answer is what? 5. 8 plus 3 minus 6. Similarly, let's take another example over here. Let's say our question is 4 plus 2 minus 6 multiplied by 3. Now, what would be our first step over here? Our first step over here would be what? In accordance with the BODMAS rule, multiplication. So 6 multiplied by 3 would be what? 6 is 18. 18 minus 2 plus 4. Now, 4 plus 2, 6 minus 18 is 12. 12 is our answer. Similarly, let's take another example. Alright, here we have 4 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 3. Alright, now what we would be doing is, first of all, what step would we be performing? Division. So 6 divided by 3 would be what? 4 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 3. What we would be doing here is we would be converting this division sign into multiplication. This step is called reciprocal. Once you perform the reciprocal step, our division would turn into multiplication, and what is in our denominator would go into the numerator, and what number is in our numerator would go to the denominator. Here, this would become 1 divided by 3. Alright, so 6 multiplied by 1 is what? 6 divided by 3. We have 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So our remainder over here is what? 4 plus 2 minus 2, which gives 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 is our remaining answer. Now, let's take one more example. 4 bracket 2 plus 6. Alright, this bracket means what? This bracket means multiplication. Wherever we have a bracket, we would be multiplying the numbers outside the bracket from the numbers inside the bracket. So here, what we would be doing is we would be multiplying. This 4 is outside the bracket, right? This 2 plus 6 is inside the bracket, and this 4 is outside the bracket. We would be multiplying this 4 from both of these numbers inside the bracket. That would be 4 bracket open 2 plus 6. We will be multiplying this 4 with both of these numbers inside the bracket. Therefore, first of all, we will multiply 4 by 2, and then we will be multiplying 4 by 6. So 4 2s are 8, and 4 is 8, and the plus sign, and 4 6 are 24. So 8 plus 24 is what? 32. Our final answer. Getting me? One last question. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 bracket open 2 minus 4. Now in accordance with the BODMAS rule, first of all we will open the brackets. First of all, open the brackets, bracket open. So 3 multiplied by 2 plus this 4 will be multiplied by both of these numbers inside the bracket. So 4 2s are 8, and always multiply the signs also. What sign is here? Minus. So therefore plus and minus will become what? Plus multiplied by minus is plus, multiplied by minus is minus. Therefore plus minus, minus 4 4s are 16. Now what would be our second step? We have opened the brackets. Now multiplication. Our second step, we do not have any division, so therefore multiplication 3 2s are 6 plus 8 minus 16. Now 6 plus 8 is what? 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 16. 14 minus 16 is what? Minus 2. Plus 14 minus 16. The sign comes of the bigger number, that is minus 16. Therefore our final answer is what? Minus 2. I hope you guys understood this. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.